Hello dear students, welcome to history class, chapter number 2, the earliest societies. It's for class 6th, part 7. Today's topic, difficult words and pronunciation. In previous part, we have completed difficult words and pronunciation, and that spellings, again that this chapter spellings continuing in today's topic. Okay students, see here, S A P I E N, sapien, sapien, P R E H I S T O R Y, prehistory. And next spelling is there here students, see here, P R E H I S T O R I C, prehistoric, prehistoric. And next spelling, F O S S I L, fossil. So next one, D I S C O V E R Y, discovery. So next one, A R T E F A C T, artifact. So next one, B O R I. So this one is body. And next spelling is there, M A H A S T R A. Okay, see here, M A H A R A S T R A, Maharashtra. And next spelling is there here, D E C R I B E D, described. Okay, and next one, D E P E N D E N T, dependent. And next one, S U R V I V A L, survival. So next spelling, P A L A E O L I T H I C, Paleolithic. And next one is there here, M E S O L I T H I C, Mesolithic. And next one, N E O L I T H I C, Neolithic. So next one, L U B B O C K, Lubbock. And next one, Q U A R T Z I T E, Quartzite. Okay, and next one, see here, So next spelling is there. So after calcite, burins, B-U-R-I-N-S, burins. Afterwards, L-I-T-T-E-R, liter. So next one, C-O-R-E, core. So next one is there, F-L-A-K-E, flake. P-O-U-N-D-I-N-G, pounding. And afterwards, C-R-U-S-H-I-N-G, crushing. And afterwards, S-L-I-T-T-I-N-G, slitting. So next spelling is there, E-N-G-R-A-V-E, engrave. And next one, P-E-B-B-L-E, pebble. Okay students, once again you see here. So today's spellings are there here. How to reading and how to pronounce it, see here. S-A-P-I-E-N, sapien. So it's a sapien. Sapien means what? Some early man was developed. Okay, he was gradually developed, means changes in his body. We have seen changes, some changes in his body. Okay, afterwards totally he has changed. So today's modern day people, by example, we all are, means we all are there. So that is called that sapiens. Okay. So next spelling is there, P-R-E-H-I-S-T-O-R-Y, prehistory. So we have learnt in this chapter prehistory. So afterwards the early man was developed, okay, by sapiens. Sapiens literally means, so thinking, so some thinkings. He is a wise man, okay. So that people we call that prehistory. So that peoples we call that prehistory peoples, okay. And afterwards P-R-E-H-I-S-T-O-R-I-C, prehistoric, okay. So this period is called that prehistoric period. Okay, in prehistoric period, so peoples are hunter-gatherers. Okay, they wandered, means they move one place to other place. They move one place to other place to search of food and shelter. Okay, but they don't know how to write and how to read. So this period is called that prehistoric period. And also we have found here in prehistory period fossils. It is a fossil period also calling that. Okay, F-O-S-S-I-L, fossil. Okay, and next one D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-Y, discovery. Okay, and some peoples are here discovered by some archaeologists, means discovered the some places of the Paleolithic sites, some Mesolithic sites. Also here in Paleolithic peoples discovered fire. Okay, so we have learnt in this chapter. And next spelling is there here, A-R-T-E-F-A city. So artifact. Artifact means what? Old pieces. Artifact means what? Old pieces. By example, old bone pieces. Okay, old stones, tools. The archaeologists got here some sites. And next spelling is there here. B-O-R-I. Bori. Okay, it is the place name. Means in India, prehistory period began 1.5 million years, means 1.5 years ago that. Million years ago that. Okay, so in Bori place. In where is there that? Maharashtra. Which state is there Bori? In Maharashtra. See here Maharashtra spelling you see here students. M-A-H-A-R-A-S-T-R-A. Maharashtra. Okay. So next one. Next spelling is there here. D-E-C-R-I-B-E-D. Described. Okay. So next one. D-E-P-E-N. D-E-N-T. Dependent. Okay. So how to pronounce this? Dependent. And next one. S-U-R-V-I-V-A-L. Survival. Okay. Survival. And next spelling is there. P-A-L-A-E-O-L-I-T-H-I-C. Paleolithic. So we know that some stone age is divided into in three categories. So one is there here Paleolithic. Okay. Paleo means it is the Greek word. So this paleo means old. Okay. And lithic. Lithic means here stone. Old stone age. Okay. So it's just how to pronounce this? Paleolithic. Okay. And next spelling is there here. M-E-S-O-L-I-T-H-I-C. Mesolithic. So Mesolithic, Meso it is the Greek word. Okay. So it is the middle. It means what? Middle. Middle age. Middle age. Lithic means stone. Middle stone age. Okay. So this spelling, how you pronouncing this? Mesolithic. Okay. And next spelling is there. N-E-O-L-I-T-H-I-C. Neolithic. Neo means new. Lithic means stone. New stone age. Okay. So this spelling, how you pronouncing? Neolithic. Okay. And next one is there here. L-U-B-B-O-C-K. Lubbock. So actually he is John Lubbock. He was the archaeologist. He was the great archaeologist. Okay. So Lubbock. So next one is there. Q-U-A-R-T-Z-I-T-E. Quartzite. Quartzite means what? Some Paleolithic peoples. Paleolithic peoples called Quartzite people. Okay. And next one is there. B-U-R-I-N-S. Burins. So what is this? Burins. So next one. L-I-T-T-E-R. Litter. Litter means what? Scatter. So next one is there. C-O-R-E. Core. Core means stone. Okay. And next one is there. F-L-A-K-E. Flake. Okay. See here. Next one is a P-O-U-N-G-I-N-G. Pounding. How to pronounce this? Pounding. So next spelling is there here. C-R-U-S-H-I-N-G. Crushing. Crushing. Okay. And next you see here. S-L-I-T-T-I-N-G. Slitting. Okay. And next spelling E-N-G-R-A-V-E. Engrave. What is this? Engrave. Next spelling P-E-B-B-L-E. Pebble. What is that? Pebble. So once again you see here students, these all spellings: sapient, prehistory, prehistoric, fossil, discovery, artifact, boring, Maharashtra, describe, dependent, survival, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Lubbock, Cossite, Burins, Litter, Core, Flake, Pounding, Crushing, Slitting, Engrave and Pebble. Okay student, so here it was all completed difficult spellings and how to pronounce this. And these all spellings you should be right, each spelling 5 times. Afterwards, you are completing homework, you send it my WhatsApp number and you read it daily, these all spellings and correct pronounce it this. Okay, and next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.